Hi, we are Danna and Sebastian, and we both share a passion for UX research and social innovation through design thinking, in addition to being Colombian designers living in Barcelona. That's how our project CriticON was born. CriticON is a tool that aims to make critical thinking a daily habit, especially for young people who constantly consume and become overwhelmed with all kinds of information in digital environments. We do this through interaction, humor, and simple activities that allow you to question what you see online at the right moment, and with minimal effort.
Today, especially among young people, information consumption is constant, rapid, and heavily influenced by algorithms that prioritize viral content over truth. Although we often doubt what we see, we almost never verify it. Not for lack of interest, but because verifying requires effort, time, and stepping outside the flow we're in. This creates an environment where misinformation not only exists, but spreads easily, because everything is designed to make us react and not to make us think.
CriticON intervenes precisely at that critical point, the moment you decide whether to believe, ignore, or share content.
The system works in two ways. On one hand, a quick true or fake game with a series of questions that test your knowledge of current events and news, training your ability to question things quickly.
And on the other hand, a tool where you can send any link and receive a clear verdict with context that helps you understand why something is reliable or not. It also gives you tips on how to identify it more easily in the future.
But beyond being right or wrong, what we're looking for is to build a habit.
That is why we've integrated a critical streak with humor, pop culture and cultural references, and immediate feedback, so you get hooked and verifying is no longer just a one-off action, but becomes part of your digital identity when browsing the internet.
In addition, we are exploring the system in different formats, from messaging to a gamified app, to understand what type of interaction generates real change in behavior.
We are a project in the initial prototyping and testing phase, and we need your support.